Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, and today I'm bringing you a very easy tutorial on how to draw the monster Blue from Rainbow Friends. First thing I'm going to do is to draw the rather big circle on top. This is gonna be the head, and notice that I draw a small cylinder or half of a cylinder right under it because it's gonna be the neck. Then there's gonna be an oval, which is also big but not so much, about twice the size of the head. And after this, what I have to do is to divide it in the middle because Blue is going to be facing us. Then a short line for the arm. This arm is going to be lifted as if you were waving to us. And then I'm gonna draw the other arm pointing down like this. It's like a big teardrop. The end of the arm coincides with the end of the oval we had drawn for the body. Now from his belly I draw a line for his leg. So there's gonna be a space between the legs, and I just have to repeat the process for the other one. Coming from the belly and closing it with a short distance from the middle of the body. Okay, now for his face, I'm going to divide it in the middle, like this, and I'll draw a line under, a curved line to show his smile. So you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet? Don't forget to do it now, it only takes a second. And if you activate the bell, you're gonna get notifications whenever I post a new video, which is almost every day. And if you want to leave us a suggestion, the comment section is always open for you. And then I'm going to extend the line very close to the circle we had drawn initially for the head, like this. So there you have the smile. I'm gonna draw the tongue, and I think I'm gonna draw the drool on the side of his mouth, like this. Okay, now the eyes are just two circles, two big circles, close to the middle. Just notice that these two circles don't touch each other, but they are very close. First one. So there is a distance between them. I would like you to notice that the eyes are very close to the mouth. So the eye to our right is not really going to be an eye, it's going to be a button. So I draw another circle inside and 4 points which are going to be connected like an X. The other one is going to be the real eye. And so it's just another circle inside. Almost ready. Now for the crown, I draw 2 slightly curved lines and 3 points in the middle. Okay. Now to give it some depth, I just draw these 2 lines on the inside. It's time to use the liner and reinforce the things we want to keep. some more details that I have to attend to, see if the lines are okay, and take care of all the black areas. After that, I just have to use a brush pen, and of course it's going to be mostly blue. And then I decided to use a blue colored pencil for the drool. There you go, our blue is ready. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to do it now. Leave us a like and a comment, because your participation is very important for us. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye bye.